I'm standing here with Adam Thomson, and I'm really excited to get to know you and learn a little bit about what you're working on. So to start with, can you just tell us a little bit about yourself and what you've worked on previously?
Yep, so my current responsibility is Chief Engineer and the Technical Director for the Vehicle Integration Center in GWM. And I lead the program team that are developing this platform that you see in front of you and the cars that come on that. My background primarily in sports cars and performance vehicles, and I spent a long period of my career at McLaren, leaving there as a Chief Engineer for the GT.
Fantastic. Are you able to delve a little bit into the GF platform, explain to us what that means and what kind of exciting things we expect to see from that area of GWM in the future?
So if you take a look at what we've got on display today, there's three key components of the platform that we're kind of coming here to talk about. The first one of those in the center of the car is the carbon monocoque. So you can see here the first element of that, which is the floor, which supports the seat structures for the passengers, but also the rest of the main body structure of the vehicle. The second element at the front of the vehicle is the P4 electric motor. That motor drives the front axle of the vehicle. It's made of magnesium, super lightweight alloy, and it's then coupled and driven by a high energy dense battery, which will be elsewhere in the vehicle. The last element is the all-new 4-litre V8 petrol engine at the back of the vehicle. That's combined with an all-new 9-speed transmission and a P2 motor at the rear. So you've got an electric motor at the front, a combustion engine in the center of the vehicle, so it's a mid-engine vehicle, combined with a P2 that combine to give the overall power output of the vehicle.
That is a whole lot of impressive tech. Can I jump back to the first one? Can you walk us through some of the advantages that you get with the carbon fiber platform versus a generic or a standard platform?
Yeah, so the main reason to introduce composites into a vehicle, in this case carbon fiber, is one, it gives a much better weight to strength ratio, and it allows us to generate a very stiff and stable vehicle structure. That gives us a very stable and solid platform for high performance vehicles. You want stiffness in the platform for control. And carbon's a very effective way of taking weight out, but adding stiffness in.
That's awesome. And the V8 engine that you touched on, do we have any figures yet around output for this?
Not yet, but I can tell you they're pretty exciting.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's awesome. And that will work in conjunction with the electric P4 motor that you mentioned, right?
That's right. So the car will come in a variety of different configurations and layouts depending on what its usage is going to be for. But one of those is going to be a hybrid version. So our main, like I said, big power dense battery that helps drive the electric motors, the P4 at the front, the P2 in conjunction with a combustion engine at the rear of the vehicle will work together, combined, to deliver power to the rear axle.
Fantastic. So this would be not just a sports platform, this could be a platform for many different types of models?
It's been developed with potential to do a lot of different things. Yeah.
Could it be a full battery electric vehicle as well with this platform?
The platform's not intended to be fully electric.
Yep.
We don't believe that the technology is there available at the moment to deliver the performance that you need in this kind of product only using EV.